Hi everyone, this is Professor Mendez-Escobar, and this video is a tutorial to access the online class sessions via Collaborate Ultra. Once you've logged into Brightspace, you're going to click on your course. For this tutorial, I'm going to go to my sandbox, but you would go to your actual course. From there, you're going to go to Content, and on the side here where the modules are listed, you're going to go to the module that says Online Meetings. Once you are there, you're going to see a link to an external tool called Collaborate Ultra. You're going to click on that. And on this screen here, you're going to see a list of sessions. The session that is active is the one that's in bold and says in progress. So you're going to click on that. And then you will click on Join Session. That will take you to another tab where the online class session will be held. Right now it says empty because I have not posted anything for this. From here, there are certain options that you've got down at the bottom. If you click on the microphone, you can share the audio from your device. If you click on the little camcorder looking icon, you can share your video from your web camera. And if you click on this little person with their hand up, that will raise your hand so that I know that I need to call on you because you have a question. Let me see if it'll try. So once you see that, you'll know that you raised your hand, and you could click it again to lower your hand. And that's it. That is how you access the online class sessions and how you participate.